Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't watched my previous video yet, then I'll give you the link in the description box and you can go and watch it. As promised, I'll show you my packing and moving. Today I'm planning to pack my books and few kitchen items. So come, let's get started. We have few boxes stacked up here which we'll be using to pack all our stuffs. It's very important to dust and clean before packing anything. So I'm dusting all the books before placing them in the box. Naming all the boxes is also an important thing to do while packing. It helps to keep things organized and easy to find your stuffs while unpacking. I know packing and moving is a tedious job and not everyone enjoys it, but we still do prefer to move to different places for various reasons. I'm using brown paper which I got from Amazon packages to pack my baking dishes. Most of you who's watching this video right now are either moving or planning to move in the near future. If you are worried about the situation, then I hope you're motivated by watching my video and hopefully this inspires you to kickstart your packing. Sometimes all you need is a little motivation. I took a short break from packing to prepare some simple Indian food, dahi tadka, roti, aloo fry with some rice. We are dusting and decluttering our couch before disassembling it. Wrapping the tabletops with bubble wrap is the most important thing to do because it's easy to damage them while moving and nobody likes to have or see scratches on their table. Our bedroom is so messy with the clothes scattered around because we were going through each and every one of our clothes and donated a few which doesn't fit anymore. Morning, guys. It's last day in this house and we have to pack all the stuffs, and there's a lot of thing remaining to do today. Chandan is already tired and me too. I just woke up and washed my face, so my face is swollen, so ignore that. और आज हमें ये पूरी चीज़ें साफ़ करनी है. किचन भी बहुत गंदा है, बेडरूम भी साफ़ करना है, पैकिंग करना है. तो लास्ट डे है, ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते, काम ज़्यादा करते. चलो. This is the wrap to my packing episode. Stay tuned to see our new apartment and moving in the next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button. It motivates me to create good content for you guys. And do subscribe if you haven't done it. It will mean the world to me. Thanks for watching.